So this is a TI-36X Pro. And what I want to do is I want to put these numbers in a list. This calculator only has 3 columns. So it has 3 lists. So we press data, and here are the lists. List 1, list 2, and list 3. This column right here in list 1, I want to erase all the data. So I want to click on data. You can see here I can erase or clear list 1, 2, or 3. So let's go all the way down. We'll say clear all of them. Oops, there we go. All. And it will clear all of them. Okay, so let me enter these numbers. It will enter these numbers automatically after I press 1. So enter. So 1, enter. 2, enter. 3, enter. 4, enter. 5, enter. As you can see, all the numbers are entered in there. Now, let's say I had a list, a table, right? Let's say I had a table X and the frequency 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's say I had a frequency of 10, 15, 20, 15, and 10, right? So what I can do is I can go to the next column, all right? And I can put 10, 15, 20, 15, 10. See that? And then it gives you all the numbers there. So we can second quit, and it doesn't erase the data set. They're just there, ready for you. All right. So here's your table. That's your list. If we want to look at that data again, we go to data. And you can see there's the L1. So you can think of X as L1 and then the frequency L2. And this is very important to keep in mind, which is your data and which is your frequency. One other thing also, this is one variable, okay? Like a one variable statistics. This is only one variable, not 2. This right here is not X and Y where you have coordinates, okay? That's not what this is. This frequency table tells us you have 10 ones, 15 twos, 20 threes, 15 fours, and 10 fives. And it's a way to organize the information.